Here are a few tips to help you improve your affiliate marketing skills. Developing a plan to succeed in affiliate marketing takes a great deal of research and finding the right tips and information to help you make it into the successful business opportunity that you are hoping it to be. This video is loaded with that information that is going to help you succeed. Starting out with foundation links from trusted sites is the best way to go when you're just getting started. Seeking links from authority sites within your market is better than having unrelated links for the purposes of traffic and name recognition. Although there are shortcuts you can take, never tempt the integrity of your site by going the easy route. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, work on adding to your passive income through programs that offer continuity. Successful marketers have various continuity programs that offer reoccurring income over an extended period of time. This reoccurring income will provide a sound financial base that you can then build upon. A lot of affiliate marketing is touch and go, so you have to remember, never to be set on any one formula or any one method. You will want to experiment with different banners, different content, different text, and other methods to see which ones works best for you and your overall sales numbers. Your thank you IDRS's inverted question mark half page has to be strong as an affiliate. You cannot let this step lapse just because it is the last page your customers are going to see. Always make sure that it's well written, and always include an affiliate link on this page, linking to another product offer or to another location that's valuable for you. Apply the tips and information that you learned from this video to your affiliate marketing business plan. They are sure to make quite the difference in the plan that you devise. Start earning your profits after carefully studying the valuable tips and helpful information that you learned about right here. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.